2024, a year of milestones, innovation, and progress at Parason. From developing cutting-edge stock preparation systems to delivering advanced paper machines, we've empowered industries across the globe. We didn't just build machines, we created solutions. Solutions that drive success for our clients, transform industries, and align with a sustainable future. Guided by our mantra, inspire, innovate, implement, our team of experts has set new benchmarks in paper manufacturing technology, in molded fiber technology, and in building a sustainable future. With a strong commitment to sustainability, we integrated environmentally friendly practices across all aspects of our operations. With our commitment to excellence and quality, we expanded our global footprint. We achieved new milestones, including the significant growth of our plants in India and Brazil, bringing us closer to our clients worldwide. Every achievement, every milestone, was powered by the passion and dedication of our people and the trust of our clients. Thank you for being part of our journey. Together, we're shaping the future of paper manufacturing. Here's to another year of innovation, success, and impact. Parason, engineered trust.